Today we are doing copper and pharmaceuticals next. It's going to be big. Those were the words of US President Donald Trump during a recent cabinet meeting. You must have noticed that since returning to office, Trump has pushed forward with his trademark protectionist policies, and his latest move has struck a nerve across key export economies, including India. In a sweeping announcement, Trump unveiled new 50% tariffs on copper imports following similar levies on steel and aluminium. But even more alarming is his warning of a 200% tariff on pharmaceutical imports. So what exactly did Trump say? Why does it matter for India, and what could happen next? Let's break it down all for you. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. In a cabinet meeting held on Tuesday, Trump made headlines with his statement on tariffs on copper and pharmaceuticals. These remarks underscored Trump's broader agenda to rebuild domestic supply chains, particularly in strategic sectors such as copper, pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, lumber, and critical minerals. He reiterated that investigations into pharmaceutical and semiconductor imports are ongoing, with final reports expected by the end of this month. Now, major question: why is this concerning for India? What will be the impact on India? So first of all, let's talk about copper. India's copper exports in financial year 2024-25 stood at $2 billion, with $360 million going to the US. While the US is a key market, copper is a critical mineral with rising domestic demand as well, especially in sectors like energy, construction, and manufacturing. Therefore, analysts believe that domestic absorption and alternative markets could cushion the blow for Indian exporters. But the bigger risk is for pharmaceuticals. US is India's largest pharma market, with exports growing to $9.8 billion in financial year 2025, which is a 21% jump from the previous year. That's 40% of all Indian pharmaceutical exports. A 200% tariff could be devastating, particularly for generic drug manufacturers, small and mid-sized exporters, and essential medicines reliant on US demand. India is a global leader in affordable generics, and such a steep tariff could make Indian drugs non-competitive, impacting availability and affordability in the United States. Meanwhile, Trump also took aim at the BRICS grouping that includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa during the same meeting. Trump floated a 10% blanket tariff on BRICS imports, though no such policy has been formally adopted yet. Therefore, India as a BRICS member may face indirect consequences despite strong bilateral ties with Washington. Now, as India is in the process of closing a mini trade deal with the US, all sectoral tariffs are likely to be covered under it. If the deal is finalized before the August 1 deadline, then the new tariffs are likely not to impact Indian markets. Therefore, with only a few weeks left before the August 1 deadline, we must understand that this time diplomacy will be the key. What are your thoughts and your expectations? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.